We have arrived just outside of All American Paint Protection to pick the convertible up now that it has XPEL paint protection film on it. So let's go in and see what they've done. Pull door enthusiastically with enthusiasm.
Hey,
what's up, Tiffany?
Are we videoing each other?
Hands, we are videoing each other right here, right now.
Let's open this up for you.
Whoa, and the key is right there. Look at that, there's a goodie bag. Wow, check that out. You guys know how to do things right around here.
I hope you
Golly, what a reception. Got all her skin on now, which you will not be able to tell. You know, wow.
We also added a couple extra pieces.
Uh-oh, added it.
No, you
Look at you
didn't
guys.
ask for it.
Oh yeah, you did that?
The rear impact area is
okay.
done for you.
Thank you.
Absolutely. You can't have
Awesome.
that without the rear impact area.
That's awesome.
And of course your
So yeah,
blades.
show everybody
Your
what we
blades
did.
are finished as well, but we did your full front with a track package and the
Right.
blades as well. But everything's wrapped and tucked wherever possible. We do
Yeah.
everything custom so
You
that
do.
seams aren't
Seams aren't even seen.
But this
Yeah,
goes
we did this all the way up
here.
into here so that there's no seam that's seen even on the edge down here, which is fabulous and just pure perfection. I mean, you won't find a better install than what these guys do here at All American Paint Protection. Good night. Look at that. That is fantastic.
And then everything, we even wrap everything under here as well because it allows us to have a little gap here.
Uh-huh.
So this gets wrapped in, tucked in here, and so does this. This
Wow.
is all custom.
Yeah.
And all these little pieces are done as well.
Right. Which is real tricky.
Mm-hmm.
Like they give you, they kind of gave you some tricky areas to work with on the new Corvette, didn't they?
We love them. And of course your headlights are done as well. Full
Yeah.
front bumper, custom fender.
Look at that. Let's get down here and look at these. This is just flawless. There's not a hint of film line that I see anywhere. Look at that. And then back here on the impact areas. How you doing? There's Brett. What's up, man? How you doing? Nice to meet you too, man.
Everything turned out beautiful.
Oh, it did. You guys just phenomenal work. Look at that car.
You can see my
Golly.
face.
Look at you. There you go.
Absolutely stunning.
Wow.
She's gorgeous.
It is a gorgeous car, man. You guys rocked it. Thanks for everything, man.
Pleasure. Yeah.
So let's take a look at the mirrors too, because there's lots of moving parts there. Look at that. Man.
If you look real closely, like everything is very carefully wrapped and tucked inside of here,
Yeah.
all the way around. Everything navigates up underneath of the light
Mm-hmm.
on the bumper. You don't have any exposed edge right here. Everything is real carefully
Tucked in.
right and down there,
Yes.
and then obviously tucked right here as well. So I mean, it's very, very clean. There's
It is
nothing.
super clean.
There's nothing exposed, right? So we even have the little cap, just barely navigates right over the cap right here.
Wow, I'm incredibly impressed. So Brett's been telling me about how they tuck everything, which if you are driving and over time, edges will eventually show some dirt. But if there's no edges, they're not going to show dirt. So if the edges are tucked, in other words, then the dirt's not going to be there. So like for instance, over this entire front bumper fascia, the edges tuck. Even on these hard edges here, the edges of the film are tucked down into just a slight edge there into the backside of that painted surface there. So it's just phenomenal. It's just phenomenal. There's no cutout right up here that typically you'd see on the XPEL kit. There on that nose piece. So yeah, just the best install I've ever seen on a C8 and that you'll ever see on a C8. These blades, look at these blades. This is difficult right here. Very difficult spot right here, and you don't see that. There's nothing you see there at all. Yeah, wow, just phenomenal. Phenomenal, Brett.
Thank you so much. Same thing with the hood. As
Yeah.
well up here, this is another really hard angle up here.
Right.
So you have the reverse here from the bumper.
Right.
But everything navigates so we don't have anything exposing right here.
Exactly.
And that way everything is a nice clean transition from here to here.
That's what you want. You don't want, yeah.
It's gonna be just like as if it just has the paint on there,
Right.
and that the film's really not even present.
Thanks a lot for everything y'all have done. You know, what an awesome showroom too here. Look at this. You've got product, you know, displaying your product you've got over there, and your XPEL. Different levels of. Is that your tents?
That's our tent. Yeah, we have a good, better, best, and we got you with the XR Plus, which is the medical grade film, blocking out up to 98% of the heat.
Blocks out up to 98% of the heat.
Absolutely incredible.
Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. All right, well, I'm sold. I just wish you didn't have your shop so far from Oklahoma.
It's okay. We can do close transport.
Okay, they'll do enclosed transport, and guys, seriously, this would be a place you would want to consider to have if you want a perfect install, right here at All American Paint Protection, this is the place to have it done. Brett and Tiff are graciously going to give us a little tour of the shop, and their operation here is just as amazing back here as it is up front. Look at this. Wow. What I really like, I always like seeing a bright, clean shop. Everything's in its place. You know, you're serious about your work, and you look at that. Got a Rapid Blue over here.
When we first moved in, it was just 3 walls, and we had to tear one down and put flooring and the lifts and everything in.
Awesome.
But
looks great.
nothing but XPEL over here.
Yep, there it is. This is where it happens. This is where the magic takes place.
This is the magic.
This is the magic. There's the magic right there. Those two right there.